Hello everyone and welcome. I'm here to walk you through how to create a company page on LinkedIn. Head on to linkedin.com and then you sign in. If you already have an account, if you don't, create one please. Then once you've signed in, the next thing you're going to do is going to open up this home page. As you can see, the next thing you're going to do is click on this option for business up here, and then you scroll down until you see create company page. So you click on that, and here it gives you this LinkedIn page for you to create your company page where you can connect with clients, employees, and LinkedIn community. So that is why you create a company page, so it will be easier for you to connect with your clients, to connect with employees and the LinkedIn community. To get started, you have to choose a page type. Now if you want to open a company page, you choose this version, which is a company, and that means you want to create a small company, a medium company, or a large business company. A large business, this is the type of page type you need. So if you want sub pages associated with the existing page, sub pages added to it, you can choose this one. Then if you want to create a business page for educational institution, maybe schools or universities, you choose this one. I believe most of us will go for companies, so let's click on companies. And then to open up this page, where you need to put in the details about your company. So you start with the company name, and don't forget this one asterisk means that you must fill those ones up. So you have to fill this form, this online form. First of all, you fill in the name, your organization name, then you fill in the LinkedIn company, add your unique LinkedIn address, then you begin your website, put in the websites of your company. Also, what type of industry is your company? We have different options, so you choose the type of industry that your company belongs to. And then organization size must be there. You must choose the organization size. Is it 0 to 1 employees, 2 to 10, 11 to 50, 51 to 200, 201 to 500, 501 to 1000, all the way to 10,000 plus employees. Let them know the company size. The organizational type: is it a public company, self-employed company, government agency, non-profit company, sole proprietorship, privately held, or a partnership? Then the next thing you're going to do is to upload a logo. This logo must be 300 by 300 px recommended. That is the recommended size, and it must be GPG or GPEGs or PNGs supported. Those are the only three that are supported, so any other type is not be accepted. Then next, you're going to put your tagline for your company. The tagline is used to briefly describe what your organization does, and it can be changed later, so just put in it. For example, we have an example that says an information services firm helping small businesses succeed. So something like that, brief, to the point, but captivating at the same time. The next thing you're going to do after that, once you fill this form, you click on this, which says that you verify the authorized representative of this organization, and you have the right to act on his behalf in the creation and management of this page. The organization and you agree to the additional terms for the pages. So once you agree to this, just click on this, and once you've done that, you click on create page. Please read the LinkedIn pages terms first before you click on this, just to be on the safe side. So once you click on create page, the LinkedIn is going to review your form. So once they do, they'll check through it, and when they approve of it, most times they do approve of it, then your company or business page will appear. This is as simple as that. I hope you found this video helpful on how to create a business page on LinkedIn. As you can see, it's pretty simple, straightforward, and it's very easy. Within a few minutes, we're done. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Once again, if you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this, which we put up every day. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.